Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative. I'm so far behind on my tutorial. I'm getting videos up. But anyway, this is from a couple weeks ago when they had all this stuff out. But this is the classic rose. And I'm looking for the stamp sets and the paper. When you get the paper, you can download it, but I was just trying to see if they had it in the store. And this is the floral spray. I didn't show them up. Sounds like me stamps. And then I got the Peekaboo Stamps, and this was only $3.99, and this one is mouse, and it says, did somebody say it's just a meeting? A party without this calls for lots of cake. It's time to celebrate with. So the word here is cake, and this is a I said a mouse, but this is actually the this is the elephant mouse. This one says this is boss cut in a boss, and this one says hello, and this one says blessed. So quick cards. I mean, I didn't really need another Boston folder that I know I did. And thank you. But I got the three that I think probably I would use the most. It tons of different styles. And then this one is the Peekaboo one too. This is the hippopotamus one. This one, like I said, was the it's a saurus. I don't know why it's a saurus. But this is hippopotami. Hippo, and that's the mouse. And then this one says, sending huge birthday wishes. It's your special day. You did it, hip hip. Sending you tons of love. It's a boy, it's a girl. It's just her way. And so that's that. The little peekaboo, so you can see how that one looks. Hooray. Cake. And then this one is the owl, and it says owl. It's the main word. It says, be there for you, always love you, sending you, I'm yours, hearts, my love, thank you for, you do. Thanks for, and you do. So, and that's how that looks right there. And they had the little stitch dies. I don't think I have a heart stitch set, so I got this one's a 9-piece set. It also comes with that piece right there too, and that one, so I end up getting that. And that's the size, as you can kind of see, nice size. And then last but not least, I got the little cute little pandas for Mom Elephant, and it says, you're the cutest, kiss kiss, I love you. Because I don't think I have that one. I gotta double check. I may. Alright, so that is my last haul. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.